in this video I'll be reviewing Swiss Beauty product and I'll be creating this makeup look with the help of the Swiss Beauty products. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all people are doing? It's a pretty nice weather and थोड़ी सी गर्मी भी हो गई. So make sure you are drinking lots of water. So now let's come to the video. So in this video I'll be sharing few Swiss Beauty products and also I'll be reviewing them. Cause personally whenever I buy any new beauty products I check out their reviews and see if it will going to work for me or not. So I thought I'll make a video and help it to you guys cause I have many Swiss Beauty products and also I have created this simple makeup look with the help of my Swiss Beauty products. So if this is something you would love to watch, make sure you watch this video till the end. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and hit the subscribe button. That would be amazing. And also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. And now without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So right now I have no makeup on my face. I have already applied moisturizer on my face, that is Pond's moisturizer. And the first thing that I'm going to apply is concealer. So I have this Cover Studio Swiss Beauty concealer palette. So basically this is a 3-in-1 palette. You have this color corrector, contour and concealer. And I just love this palette because this is very affordable. And as you can see, I have used it almost like the day I have got it. I have been using this since that day. So yeah, I just love this concealer palette. This was the first concealer palette I got it and yeah, I just love it. So I'll apply green color corrector on my acne spots. And let me tell you, this works for me. Like I have been using this past 6 months. Like yeah, it's been 6 months and this works for me. And I'll use orange color corrector under my eyes. I'll blend it with the help of my brush. Instead of that beauty blender, I prefer brush. So I'll do that.
I also use my finger whenever I need, like it's not necessary to use a brush or a beauty blender.
So I have blended my orange and green color corrector and now I'm not going to use foundation cause I am using most of the Swiss Beauty products. So I am going to use this shade cause this matches my skin and I'll use it as a foundation. So yeah. So you can use this concealer palette on a daily basis like a basic makeup look cause this is like gives you a nice coverage, like not that nice but yeah, it gives a nice coverage. So yes, you can definitely go ahead with this. And I really like this concealer palette cause this is pretty amazing. Like this is affordable and also 3-in-1, like you can use contour, concealer and color corrector. So I like this. And now I'm done with base and the next thing I'm going to apply is blush, but I don't have Swiss Beauty blush, but I have this highlighter. So this is Brick highlighter from Swiss Beauty and this is how it looks. It has this 5 shade, different 5 shade, but I particularly don't use like this one shade. I just roam my finger around this and apply it. So today I'm not using any blush, I'm just using this highlighter cause it has like nice color. It has different colors. I picked this one cause I like this one and as you can see the glow, but I think this is like okay. I would not recommend you to buy cause this is not that visible for me. This is okay. So the next product that I'm going to use is illuminator. So this is the Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. I have shown you this on my birthday wala vlog cause I got this gift And to be honest,
I just love this because this gives a perfect dewy look. Wait, I'll show you. So, as you can see that shine, I think this is for 300.
this is the only illuminator which was like very affordable, and the rest were really very costly. Like Swiss Beauty is the only option we have for illuminator, for drugstore illuminator. So I think you should go ahead because this is pretty much nice and gives the glow which
Is required. So, yeah.
The next thing I'm going to show and apply is this Swiss Beauty Mousse eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. I love this eyeshadow palette, like this is good one. So this is how it looks. This comes with this brush and we have this much shade, like this is 10 shade. This is the basic 10 shade. Now I'm going to apply this. I also have Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, but I'll swatch it on my hand and show it to you, that one, cause I'm going to apply this one right now. So yeah, I'll be using this pink shade right now cause it matches with my top.
So, I think I'm going to use two colors. So, first I'll go with this one on my inner corner. And for outer corner, I'll go with the dark pink. As you can see, the pigmentation.
So I'm done applying my eyeshadow. And the texture is also very smooth, and I'll show you the pigmentation. So as you can see, the pigmentation is very good. So I think you should buy this because this gives a nice makeup look. So now the next thing I'm going to apply is thoda sa liner and mascara fatafat.
So now I'm done with my eyes. This is how it looks. And also, as you can see, this dewy effect, that is because of the illuminator.
And the next thing that I'm going to apply now is lipstick. This is from Brom. This is my favorite shade. I have told you in my top 10 lipstick shade wala video. You should watch that. So the next thing I have to show you is the liquid eyeshadow I was talking about. That is Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is how it looks. It has 6 shades in this range. I have 4 shades that I'm going to show you. So first is this. The name is Molten Midnight. This is for 200 rupees. I think this is thoda sa costly as per the quantity. And this is the shade. The first one. This is how it looks. And I think this metallic liquid eyeshadow is good for party and all of that stuff cause I love this personally on that kind of occasion. The next liquid shade I have is this, and the name is Champion. So this was quite trending, so that's the reason I got this shade. And this is the shade how it looks. I think this is pretty good shade. So the third shade, that is this. So this is Rose Gold Retro shade. This is how it looks. And the shade looks like this. Coming to the next shade, that is this. This is Smoky Straw. And this shade looks like this, the last one. So all the shades are pretty cool and amazing. So I think you should go ahead and buy this liquid eyeshadow, and this is super cute and comes in this kind of packaging. So yes. So the last thing that I have to show you from Swiss Beauty is this makeup fixer, which has aloe vera with vitamin E, and this is how it looks. So let me tell you, I have been using this since past 15 days, and recently I had my cousin wedding and I have used this on that wedding day, and let me tell you, because of this my makeup stayed for I think more than 5 to 6 hours, which is really very great. And I just love this. This has great smell. This has the aloe vera smell as it contains aloe vera, and it is good for our skin. Also, it is very affordable, like this is for 249 rupees, like 250 rupees. So this is the best drugstore makeup fixer, and which is from Swiss Beauty. As you know, I already love Swiss Beauty products so much, so I would recommend you to go ahead with this because this is very affordable and good for our skin. This feels good, like I love this smell also, and this is how it looks. So that was it for my today's video, and this were all the Swiss Beauty products that I wanted to show it to you guys. And also I think I created a nice basic makeup look with the help of the Swiss Beauty products, and there were only few products, and with the help of that I created this look. So I think I did a good job, and I'll link down all the product link in the description box, and make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot. Do follow me on Instagram, and I'll be seeing you in next video. So bye bye.